welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's talk procurement and learn and talk about the supply chain. Today we are going to discuss very important topic is a 5S floor marking. What is the 5S floor marking in the warehouses? So I will give you the tips, I will give you the color coding, and I will teach you how to make a coloring on the floor and how to define the area in the warehouse. So this is the international standard and there's the ISO certification for this one. So we'll go in detail and we talk one by one about each color, so it will help you to design your warehouse and it's look more professional. There are various safety standards are outlined in European Union and all over the world. So the ISO certification reference number is 17010, which is a highly approved standard how to make your logistic warehouse and the storage warehouse for the medical or non-medical product lines. So this is very important. We'll go in more detail to learn about this 5S floor marking. Before getting into detail, let's understand about the OSHA, which is the Occupational Standard Safety and Health Administrations, which give the outline and direction how to make the floor marking. So for example, I will show you some example now. This is a fire extinguishers. We put the red and white line. What is the meaning of the red and white line? This is a caution that this is a hazard place and there's a fire extinguisher is there. Anti-fire product is already, equipments are there, so you can mark it in your warehouse so nobody get in and they will not remove these things. So only the authorized persons are allowed to take the extinguishers from this place. If you see that there is another the red line which shows with the block, don't block this area. So this area should always empty. In front of that you cannot store anything, you cannot keep anything. I have another example for you. This yellow line, which is the pathway or traffic lines. If it's a big warehouse like Nagel and Danzas or any Amazon is the biggest warehouses, they make this line. So make sure that this is the area you can pass through it. This is the aisles, you can go through it, so there is no harm, everything is okay. And this is the storage area for the aisles or pallets or other storage area. So this gives this indication. So second, you see this is a white line. You can see another example, which is a work cell. It shows that you can put your jack here and you can park your jack here. So this is particularly for the equipment area. So one is another color you can see is the blue color line, which shows that this is the work process area in work in process. So you can store the product which is in process, so you can keep this product there. It will help you to store, and this language is very important, especially for the warehouse managers or warehouse team who are working in this area. Third is the quality assurance area. If you see the borderline is the orange one, it means the product is stored here, is a finished product and is the inspection area for that, or might be the product has been not yet inspected, so the quality check should be there. So this is the special area, the product finish. If you see the work in process, and then we move to the quality assurance area, so QA area, so that you can store the product there. So in the next slide, I will show you more and more about that the different colors and different definitions one by one, so you can have better understanding. So these are some examples. I have the warehouse, so I showed to you that how we make a floor marking, so how it helps us to understand which area we have to get in, which area we shouldn't get in. So there are more colors. Maybe you have visited the warehouse and you saw different colors inside, like a green color, the red color, the white and red and black and yellow colors. So all of color has this language and they have the meanings. So you will have better understanding why we put these colors and how to make more safety. So remember that the safety is the first priority in the workplace. It is a warehouse and the office. So mostly these floor marking is required for the warehouses because the heavy duty job has been done in this area. So here is the color definition, which will help you to understand each color what I was talking to you, that what is required for the 5S floor marking. So first color is the yellow color. So yellow color defined for us the aisle cells, workplace and work cells or traffic lines. So you can go through this one and you can see that this color is very important when you mark it, or if you have any experience to get into the warehouse, which are completely professional warehouse. So you will see this color, all the border is there, so close to the aisles. So it means this is the storage area and you can store the area, and between this one, this is a clear path so you can walk through it. Next for this is the white color. This is very defined here. You can make a workstation, you can put a cart and standard display racks. You can keep this area always open, so you will not block these areas. Next is the blue, green and black color. This is mostly key for the material that this is a finished product or work in process, or you can keep some components of the material that is not in process yet. So this area always remain clean and open, and nothing should be blocked in front of that. So all the colors, remember that you shouldn't block it because it has some meanings. High risk level and some are very low risk level, like yellow is a low risk level. And similarly, red and white, we have discussed about this one, and the black and white strips is another color for you, maybe it's new color for you. This area is basically for the operation purpose. It should be always clean and clear and it shouldn't be blocked. Remember, I'm putting this pressure on that all the areas should be clean and should not block. So it has some meanings behind this one. So next is for us the orange area. So this area, as we discussed an example, that this should be any material or product health for the inspection, for the quality assurance that this product is finished but its quality inspection is remaining. So this area should be always clear as well. This is the red color, which is the area for the hazards and the defective product area, and it could be an electricity area. Then the electricity wires are there, the panel there, you should put a red color so nobody can get in, and red areas definitely give the caution so you professionals are allowed to get in. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that this understanding about the 5S floor marking connected with this channel, and I will give you more information about the supply chain and logistics and the warehousing, so you will learn more about this area, and wait for the next.